Good evening, Bolton Maverick Outdoors. Thank you very much for visiting my channel again and clicking on this video. It's really appreciated. Just thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing on something I bought, Kettle Scout. Just thought I'd unbox it, give you a bit of a look what you get in the box. So I only ordered it yesterday from a place in Scotland. It was here this morning. So I think it's that anyway. I hope so. I don't remember ordering anything else. Yeah, it is. So. Right, this is it, the ultimate scout kit, Kettle. Give over it. So, don't jump on me like that, mate, I don't like it. So I'll open it, let's have a look what's inside. There's a pot grip. There's this pot stand in two pieces that just slots together, and a little grill. There's the Kettle itself. There's a bag for it. Go back to that. That's the fire base. A bit of a leaflet with it. Kettle light and compact ultimate kits. Well, I wouldn't say it was that light. It's not bad. It's only about the same weight as any other cooking gear I carry. It just gives you a few tips on how to use it and a little bit of information on the products. So basically what you get in the kit is the Kettle. It's got a whistling stopper. Quite a good idea, isn't it? It's like a double wall stainless vessel with a chimney up through the middle. Basically you just build a fire in this bowl, stick your kettle on top, and that acts as a drawer. It's basically like a rocket stove, isn't it? So, and then you get what's called a hobo stove, which is that contraption for just cooking on. You get a little pan and a little lid for it, or a frying pan you could use it for, I suppose. There's a pot grabber. Little pot grab. Wonder if we'll grab these plates. Couple of plates. Wonder if I can grab them with it. No. Well, I can. Yep, I can even grab the plates with it. So, could use the plates for cooking as well if you want this. The pan's only small, it's about 750ml with a lid. It's all stainless. The hobo stove looks handy for using. You can use that, or you can use the grill. just in there. You also get 2 cups with these silicone lip protectors. Siliconized handles on your cups. That's a 350ml cup. It's got the gradients of measurements stamped into the cup. And this is a 500ml cup with the same thing, the measurements are stamped into it. If you can see there. The little silicone lip protectors. The pot stand, it can work a couple of ways. You can be boiling your water. You can put that on top of there. You can also cook on top of there, and these notches keep your plate in. It's got notches all the way down. You can also use this to lift the kettle up off any combustible surface, so it gives you a bit of an air gap, and you can still use it on top of there. So that's dual purpose, which is handy. Just lay it out a bit, see what you get. There you go, that's your kit. So you've got basically your grill, your pot holder, your pot grip, your pot stand. About a 1 litre I think it is, that's not marked up with any increments on it. 750ml pan lid, 2 plates, the fire pit, oboe stove, 2 cups, Kelly kettle itself. It's alright, it's good. When you pour in these, when you take, obviously when you've got a fire in this fireball, the heat comes out through this chimney at the top, so you don't want to be putting your hands anywhere over there. So basically you lift it off like that, take your lid off, and when you're pouring it, you pour it like that. Which is a good bit of kit, isn't it? But I think these were originally designed in the 1800s, made of tin, and then they made them out of copper and aluminium, and now they make them out of stainless. So it's quite a product that's been going for a long while. So I just fancied having a go at it because it's like an all-in-one kit there. I can cook most things on that for myself, most things, you know, but it's like a little kitchen, and it's handy for, especially for prepping and things like that. It's handy when you're out there in the woods. There's 2 cups and things like that. It's like a 2-person little set there, really, isn't it? But I won't be using it as a 2-person set. The majority of the time I'll be using it just on my own. I just thought I'd let you have a look. I don't know what the total weight of everything is, but it's all well made. Let's see how it all stacks together. Oboe stove in there. Cups. Fit inside each other. They go inside that pan, I presume. bit in there. I suppose you could even get this grill in there if you wanted, I suppose. Is it? No. That's about smallish you can pack it down to. But it's small enough that for me, in my rucksack. Yeah, alright, okay. You're a pain, ain't you, Nip? You like being on video, don't you, mate? Huh? Come on, get down. And you've got this bag to put it all in. Let's see how it fits. Packs away nice and bonny. I'm just going to get some scales to get an idea of weight. 2.14 kilos. So it's not ultra light or anything, but it's light enough. I'll be lightening it up. I'll take one plate out, one cup out, a few bits like that. There we go. The Kelly kettle. Let's see how it goes out in the field. I've also got another product that I need to look at. It's a Climate Hammock V. So I'm going to be having a look at that to see if I can use it in my gathered end hammocks. Just to try. I've got that many gathered end hammocks, I don't want to waste them. And I've got this to try as well. Hammock. Thanks for joining my channel again. Thanks for watching this video. Next time you see me, I'll be out and about probably using this and a few other bits that I've got, different new bits to show you. Not without get out for the last couple of weeks. There's been a few problems I've needed to take care of, which is a downer, but everyone has problems. Thanks for watching. See you all in a bit. Thanks very much.